Welcome all to the new video of the coding race. In this video we will create step counting application. So click on this start new project and just type step counting app and just click on OK. And okay, we have got our editing interface. So first we want some components to do. So we will use the pedometer to count our steps. So we want one virtual arrangement. Width will be full parent, height will be full parent, and background color will be okay, that's a nice color. And just click on this font and I will put it into tablet. Okay, that's look nice. And just click on it and rename the title to step counting. Oh, sorry. Okay. Next, I will add one label here. Okay. It will be 0. Okay, and just click on this horizontal arrangement and align center and align virtual center. Just click on it and change this font size to be 30. That's not looks cool. Just 50. That's okay. Yes, that's okay. And next I will add 2 buttons. Sorry, 3 buttons. First will be start, and this will be stop, and this will be reset. First we will rename it to start, and width will be 30%. That's okay. Yes, that's okay. And font size will be 16%. This also font size will be 16, and this also 16, and we will set this width to 30. Okay, this also 30, and this will be stop. This will be reset. Okay, rename it. Okay. Oh, sorry, one mistake. Okay, and I will change this background color. Custom height. Custom height will be this color. Perfect. Okay, and I will copy this code. If you want this same color code, I will give the color code in description, so you can copy that and paste it. Okay. First you want to erase this all text and Control V, sorry, paste it or paste, and you want to change this text color to white. This also text color to white. This also text color to white. Next, we will add one notifier to notify. After when we click on this top, the notifier will notify the step counts. You can see the live count here. Okay, just go to blocks, and when button 1 dot clicks, oh sorry, we want to add one speedometer. So sensors, and you can see the speedometer. Just drag and drop it here. This is the speedometer. Go to blocks, and then we can add it. And go to the speedometer, and you can see this start. Next, we want to click on, when we want to click on this button 2. Which is button 2? Stop button. Okay, stop button. When the stop button clicks, go to speedometer and stop. And next we want to set the code for this button 3, which is reset button. Button 3. Okay, when this button 3 clicks, we want to reset that this call speedometer dot reset. And we want to do one more thing. Okay, go to the label 1, and you can see set label dot text. To go to text, and you can see one string, text string. Drag and drop it here and type it. See, sorry. If you want, you can add this string, or you can use this math blocks. This will be we can only write the numbers in this block. You can get it from math blocks first. And next we will add one more thing. Okay, when speedometer symbol step, this copy here, and you want to click on go to label, and you can see one thing, set label dot text. You can move this mouse pointer to simple steps, and you can select this, or go to variables and drag and drop it here and just select. First you want to drag and drop it here and just select the symbols. Next, we will add one more code in stop button. Just stop button. When button 2 clicks. When button 2 clicks, notifier to notify. I want to a message. Okay, alert. Alert. Okay. Notice will be. We will add this join code here. And first we will add step here. Okay, I'm going to type the steps here. Steps, and we want to add one this thing symbol, and we will put the text label 1 text here. So get this label 1 dot text. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share the video. like the video. Thank you.